Oatmeal. It's often seen as a humble breakfast choice, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This warm, comforting bowl holds a secret, incredible health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a powerhouse of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates. Choosing oatmeal for breakfast is a simple step towards a healthier you. This unassuming grain has been a breakfast staple for centuries, but modern science is revealing just how powerful it truly is. From boosting heart health to aiding in weight management, oatmeal is a true superfood. Let's dive into the science behind oatmeal's incredible benefits. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and copper. These minerals play crucial roles in bone health, energy production, and overall well-being. A single serving of oatmeal provides a significant portion of your daily requirement for these essential nutrients. Beyond its mineral content, oatmeal boasts an impressive array of B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for energy metabolism, brain function, and cell health. They help convert food into energy, support a healthy nervous system, and contribute to red blood cell formation. Oatmeal is a great way to fuel your body and mind, but the benefits don't stop there. Oatmeal is also a good source of antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, including avenanthramide, may have anti-inflammatory effects and protect against heart disease. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder oatmeal is considered a superfood. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. One of oatmeal's most celebrated benefits is its remarkable ability to improve heart health. The secret lies in its high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that acts like a sponge in your digestive system. Beta-glucan binds to cholesterol, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This helps lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Studies have consistently shown that consuming oatmeal regularly can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels. This reduction in cholesterol levels translates to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. The American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 25 grams of fiber per day for optimal heart health, and oatmeal can help you reach that goal. Oatmeal's benefits for heart health extend beyond its cholesterol-lowering effects. The fiber in oatmeal also helps regulate blood pressure, another crucial factor in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. By adding bulk to your diet, fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, reducing strain on your heart. Incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to keep your heart happy and healthy. For individuals managing blood sugar levels, oatmeal is a valuable ally. Its high fiber content, particularly the soluble fiber beta-glucan, plays a key role in regulating blood sugar. Soluble fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that consuming oatmeal regularly can improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. It can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively. This can lead to better blood sugar management and a reduced risk of diabetes-related complications. Oatmeal's low glycemic index, GI, further contributes to its blood sugar regulating properties. The GI ranks foods based on how quickly they raise blood sugar levels. Foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood sugar. Oatmeal's low GI makes it an ideal breakfast choice for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. If you're watching your weight, oatmeal can be a valuable asset in your weight management journey. Its high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, reducing overall calorie intake. Fiber absorbs water in the digestive system, adding bulk to your meals and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This can help prevent overeating and reduce cravings. Oatmeal, your partner in weight management. Oatmeal's protein content further contributes to its satiating effect. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. This combination of fiber and protein makes oatmeal an excellent choice for breakfast, helping you stay on track with your weight management goals. Oatmeal's versatility also makes it easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. You can customize your bowl with various toppings, such as fresh fruit, nuts, and seeds, adding flavor and nutritional value without excessive calories. By choosing nutrient-rich toppings, you can create a satisfying and balanced meal that supports your weight management efforts. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and oatmeal can play a significant role in promoting gut health. Oatmeal contains prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics, are crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Happy gut, happy you. By providing nourishment for these beneficial bacteria, oatmeal helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. This balance is essential for proper digestion, preventing digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and constipation. A healthy gut also plays a crucial role in supporting a strong immune system, as a significant portion of our immune cells resides in the gut. Oatmeal's beta-glucan fiber also contributes to its gut-healthy properties. Beta-glucan acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. It also helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation, further supporting a healthy gut. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is a delicious way to nourish your gut and promote overall well-being. While oatmeal is often enjoyed as a warm breakfast cereal, its versatility extends far beyond the breakfast bowl. Oatmeal can be incorporated into various recipes, adding texture, flavor, and nutritional value to your meals and snacks. From savory dishes to sweet treats, oatmeal's possibilities are endless. Oatmeal can be ground into flour and used in baking, adding a nutty flavor and chewy texture to breads, muffins, and cookies. It can be added to smoothies for a boost of fiber and nutrients, or used as a binder in veggie burgers and meatballs. Oatmeal's mild flavor makes it a versatile ingredient that complements both sweet and savory dishes. Oatmeal's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your diet, even if you're short on time. Overnight oats are a convenient and delicious option for busy mornings. Simply combine oatmeal, milk or yogurt, and your favorite toppings in a jar, and let it soak overnight in the refrigerator. The result is a creamy and flavorful breakfast that's ready to go when you are. Oatmeal is incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit every taste preference. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, there's an oatmeal recipe out there for you. Get creative with toppings and experiment with different flavor combinations to find your perfect bowl. For a classic sweet oatmeal, try topping your bowl with fresh or frozen berries, sliced bananas, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. For a more decadent treat, add a dollop of nut butter, chocolate chips, or shredded coconut. The possibilities are endless. If you prefer savory oatmeal, try topping your bowl with a fried egg, avocado, and a sprinkle of hot sauce. You can also add sautéed vegetables, such as spinach, mushrooms, or peppers, for a nutritious and flavorful meal. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to find your perfect savory oatmeal bowl. Oatmeal is a nutritious and delicious breakfast option for people of all ages and dietary needs. Whether you're following a gluten-free diet, managing food sensitivities, or simply looking for a healthy and satisfying meal, oatmeal can be adapted to suit your individual needs. For individuals with gluten sensitivities, certified gluten-free oats are available. These oats are processed in dedicated facilities to prevent cross-contamination with gluten-containing grains. It's important to choose certified gluten-free oats to ensure they are safe for consumption. Oatmeal can also be adapted for various dietary preferences. For a vegan option, use plant-based milk and sweeteners, such as almond milk, soy milk, maple syrup, or agave nectar. You can also experiment with different toppings such as nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit to create a delicious and satisfying vegan oatmeal bowl. Oatmeal is more than just a humble breakfast cereal. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that offer a myriad of health benefits. From improving heart health and regulating blood sugar levels to aiding in weight management and promoting gut health, oatmeal is a true superfood that can transform your well-being. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine, you're making a simple yet powerful choice for a healthier you. Experiment with different toppings, flavor combinations, and recipes to discover the endless possibilities that oatmeal offers. Embrace the power of oatmeal and unlock a world of health benefits. Start your day with a bowl of goodness and experience the transformative power of this humble grain. Your body will thank you for it. And remember, for more health and wellness content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And remember, all our recommended health products are below the description.